So, hello, I'm John. I currently head up product operations at EasyVet or IDEX. That is essentially a software practice management system in the veterinary space. I'm also a lead facilitator at CoLab, and I see some familiar faces here who have joined some previous webinars and previous cohorts as well for our Product Fundamentals course. So it's great to have you back. I have spent over 14 years in technical and product leadership. So I do come from an engineering background. I kind of class that I know enough to be dangerous, but I'm probably a better product manager than I am a developer. And I think that is something that I will take to my grave. So I've spent time across the gaming industry, small to medium business, and now the veterinary space as well. And I think the last point there is probably the one that I take most pride in, is that I absolutely love deeply investing in growing product people and also sharing my experiences and some of the things that I have probably gotten wrong as well. I feel I've probably learned more from the things that I have gotten wrong than the things that I have gotten right. And as a quick glimpse into some of the things that I have helped shipped, I mentioned that I was in the gaming industry. So that was actually online gaming, as in poker and casino. So that was kind of where I got my start in the product and the developer game. I then moved on to work for Ubisoft's mobile studio in Canada. So we shipped a GTA clone, for lack of a better word. We also did some pretty innovative things with online mobile gaming as well. And it was kind of in its infancy. I've also had a hand in shipping some AWS products as well. So while I was at Xero, I was able to partner with AWS and ship some of their platform products. And I spent almost 8 years at Xero in the product management field, particularly in technical product management, looking at how we build up our infrastructure, but as well as how we deliver that to small to medium businesses as well. And now, as I mentioned, I'm in the veterinary software game, and that has been really interesting to kind of go from small to medium business all the way over to veterinary, and it's a completely different customer base. There may be small to medium businesses and even enterprise customers, but they've just got a different way of doing business. So it has been incredibly exciting and challenging to learn a new customer base and how I can conduct better customer discovery, particularly there. Now, before we get into a meat of things for today, I just wanted to mention for those who haven't been involved in CoLab things before, essentially CoLab is a place where we love to champion people. We love to do cohort-based learning. So we have a number of cohorts across the year, from fundamentals and product management all the way through to advanced product management, as well as things like better user experiences as well. So we run cohorts on a yearly basis. We are there to help foster, grow, and empower people in the product game, not just in product management, but also in UX and design as well. We love to create kind of these mini micro communities of product people. So the people that have come through some of our cohorts who are on this webinar would know that over those, how many weeks we have in a cohort, we love to foster that communication between people, build up those networks, have breakout sessions, and generally, I would hope, have some fun as well, that we go through some really interesting conversations of some past learnings as well.